Okay, welcome back. So we'll continue with the question number 2. Then now we have Roman number 3. We need to find the equation of the parabola. So now this equation, to find the parabola, vertex is given at the origin. So it is passing through negative 3,7 and axis along the x-axis. So now, what kind of parabola is this? Concave right, left, up or down? We have 4 options. Out of 4, which one is the parabola? Remember, the hint given here it is axis is along the x-axis. So I have given the definition of the axis. So axis line means it is a line which passes through the vertex of the parabola. So that means if the axis is along the x-axis, so that means it can be concave right or it can be concave left. It can be concave right or left. If it is concave up or concave down, then axis will be along the y-axis. So this case, since the axis is along the x-axis, so we have 2 options. Out of 4, now we have 2 options. That means it can be concave right or it can be concave left. So now, again out of 2, which one is the right? Concave right or concave left? So we need to find it out. In order to find out that parabola is passing through negative 3,7. So let me show you. Remember, okay, negative 3,7. So that means let's skip here. Okay, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That parabola, remember, this is under question number 1. Vertex is at the origin, axis along the x-axis, so that means we have 2 options, concave right or concave left. So out of these 2, now that parabola is passing through the point of negative 3,7. Negative 3,7 is somewhere here. This is the point, that is negative 3,7. Vertex is at the origin, obviously it cannot be concave right. Keeping vertex at the origin, it cannot be at the concave right. So that means this should be concave left. I hope you got it now. This is concave left. Axis along the x-axis. This is the axis. This x-axis is same with the axis. This is the x-axis we have now. And a line passing through vertex is called the axis of the parabola. And then vertex is at the origin and is passing through negative 3,7, which means this is concave left. That is how you need to understand. If you have memorized, then here it will be a little bit difficult. You won't be able to find out whether it's a concave right or concave left, up or down. This case, if you understand the concept, then you will understand, okay, now this is concave left. If this is concave left, we know what's a standard form of equation of concave left. We have y square is equivalent to negative 4x. Say this is equation number 1. This is a concave left parabola. So now this equation, that means parabola passing through this point means it is same as saying this equation itself is a parabola. This equation is passing through negative 3,7. So 1 passes through negative 3,7. Negative 3 is a x coordinate and 7 is a y coordinate. Just substitute in the equation 1. Substituting in equation 1. Okay, substituting in equation 1, we get implies y value we have is 7. So 7 square is equivalent to negative 48 times x value is negative 3, which implies 49 is equivalent to 12a. Implies what's the a value? A value is equivalent to 49 by 12. Any cancellation? No. We have a value 49 by 12. Now substitute a equal to 49 by 12 in equation 1. Then we get the equation of the parabola. Implies we have y square is equal to negative 4. What's the value of a? 49 by 12 x. So 4 times 3 becomes 12. Implies final equation is y square is equal to negative 49 by 3x. Required equation of the parabola. So now under question number 2 I have solved 3 sub questions. So keeping that concept, you have to solve the homeworks that which I have given in first video, and then solve all the homeworks. Then in next question, that is question number now 3, 1 and 2 I have already done. Under question number 3 we are going to calculate the equation of the parabola when the vertex is not given at the origin. In question number 2 vertex was at the origin, that's why it is simple calculation. In next video we will see finding of equation of parabola where the vertex is not at the origin. Thank you.